Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Thank you so very much for joining me. This is Smash That Small Pad, and it's a collaboration with Bourbon Creek Crafts here on YouTube, our friend Beth, and Stampin' Cat on Instagram, Kathy. The links are in the description down below. We usually do it on the 30th of the month, but I was sick and my friends were kind enough to wait until my voice came back. So here we are. I did 17 cards this month using this Catherine Pooler Seaside paper. If you know me pretty well, you might think this was an interesting paper for me to purchase. And when I went to use it, I thought, what was I thinking? I think I really liked this one and this one too probably. So 3 I loved, maybe 4. I would have been fine with just these 4 papers, I think. So what I decided was I did not use these cartoony, like bubble pink things. No, these do not bring me joy and I didn't want them in my cards. So they're going. I don't know if that's an official smash or if that's more of clear it out, but they're not staying in my craft room. The scraps that I have left that I'm going to keep are these right here. I could have made one more card, but I think I just, got tired of the paper. I didn't love this one either. There were some in here I just didn't. And then I have some scraps in here that I'm just going to let them go. I'm going to say goodbye to them. Let me show you my 17 cards. Some of these I used things that had been in my stash for a while. One of you sent me these happy birthday die cuts, and I backed them with a circle because in my experience, when I have a die cut like that I can see through and I put it on too busy of a paper, it doesn't really work. So in person, this is great. I don't know how it is on video, but I like this paper, but I was frustrated with because it's directional. There was a lot of directional. No, don't need that. Here we have, I already had this happy anniversary embellishment. I think I had this cut and this, but maybe not on here. I don't know, but I just decided, okay. And it's kind of wild. This is alcohol inks on this paper back here. So it has some sheen. Wishing You Joy is a stamp out of my stash that just makes me happy. And I think, in fact, that was already stamped in my sentiment box and I found it and used it. Hello. I think Noni or one of you gave me these campers and I thought, I'm going to use one. And so I cut the hello out of a shimmer paper that's very close in color. Many Thanks was from my stash. This I tried, okay? This paper, I tried to like it and use it. And then I have a butterfly here. Oh, I need to put something on the butterfly's body so you don't see the glue. A little bit of sequins or some bling right there. I'll cover that right up. Let's put that over there so I don't forget. Many Thanks. This one, I wish I would have left the border a little bigger so you could tell these were fish, right? I needed probably a 1/2 inch there, but I love the colors in this card. Oh, with Deepest Sympathy. This paper, I made some other sympathy cards with it too, and I just loved it. With Deepest Sympathy, Happy Birthday, sort of a gender neutral, got some fish on there. Okay, I wanted to use that embossing folder from last month, and I put the paper in it upside down. Can you tell? So it goes in, which is okay, but the edge that's nice and embossed on this side is on the other side, and these papers are white on the back. So single-sided paper, I thought, well, I'm going to use it. And it was down at the end. I didn't have any more, so I went for it. And this Joy was from my stash. This one I left without a sentiment, which I don't usually do, but I just love these patterns. This one I really liked. And then I've got a bunch of shells along the bottom. So I think you can leave cards blank. I give blank cards. I'm okay with that. Hello there. This was from my stash too. And it was like, it had a little place on the ends where you could put eyelets. It was more like a tag type thing. And I just cut it off. I didn't like it. This green floral is fine with something over it. What does that say? And I just used my scissors. I layered my papers and used my scissors to make this wavy line. I was trying something. Here's that die again. Many Thanks fits in the middle of it. That same die cut, more of those, used differently. And then I have a white shell in the middle on that one. Many Thanks. It was already cut. The colors are a bit of a stretch, but it's okay. I'm not in love with this card, but mostly because I don't like these papers. With Deepest Sympathy, again, this is just an elegant paper. I really like this one. Thanks so much. I like this one. I matted the things with gray, which kind of toned it down a little bit, and it has a lot of the paper I really like and some of the fish. Hello Friend, that was in my stash too, and I've got the layers, fish swimming around. So, you know, you get the theme, but you don't get overwhelmed by it. If you missed last month they were beachy cards and they were quite a bit different. So fun to see how the papers come together. Be sure to check out Beth and Kathy and see what they made for the small pad smash. I will be back on the 7th, Wednesday, with Smash Our Stash. And you know how much I love that collaboration. Sorry for my voice. I hope it will be better. Take great care of yourselves. I hope you're taking time for crafting and relaxing. Bye-bye.